know you as God, God on the throne. I come to know you as King, King on the throne. I come to know you as friend. I'm never alone. You are my personal, you're my personal God. Yes, you are my personal God. I come to know you as God, God alone. I come to know you as King. Yeah, King on the throne. I come to know, you my friend, and I'm never alone. You are, you're my personal God. You're my personal Jesus. Say, I don't know what I do without Him. Yeah. I don't know who I will be without you, Jesus. I don't know what I'll do without you. Anybody know that you are my everything? Yes, I don't know what I do without you, Jesus. You're everything that I need. God, I don't know what I'll be without you, Jesus. I would be lost like a ship at sea. Oh, I don't know where I would go, without you, Jesus. Is there anybody personal, God, today? Yeah. Oh, everything. God, you're the air that I breathe. Yes, in the midnight hour you hold me. Oh, you give me strength to run on, Jesus. He's my everything. Yeah, when my family did me wrong, when my friends walked away, I called on the name of Jesus. He came to see about me. Yes, he's my everything. Oh, personal healing. He's my personal. Yes, he is. He's my counselor. When it felt like I'm about to lose my mind. Yes, he pushed me into destiny. He tells me that he can use me. Am I talking to anybody out there tonight? Yeah, it's in your personal God. You want to give him some praise. You want to give him some praise. Yes, somebody ought to say personal. Yeah, Lord, I love you. Lord, I adore you. Because you gave me your grace and mercy. When everybody tried to uncover me, God, you covered me in your blood. Somebody ought to tell them thank you. Yes, personal. He understands me. you, Jesus.